Here I've got Poptel P8 and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So at first let's open a list of all applications, then find and select the settings, then scroll down, find and pick sound, so here it is, and then go to phone ringtone. And it's time to select the one that you like the most and that you would like to set up as your ringtone, so let me show you 3 of them, for example, Backroad, then New Player, and Physics. And let me pick, for example, Orion then click on OK. And that would be all. You've just changed the ringtone. As you can see now, it's Orion. So it is all. This is how you can change ringtone in your Poptel P8. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.